more words you can add to your mental vocabulary. Expanding our vocabulary is always something we want to do, whether it's from books we are reading, conversations we have, or in this case, specifically focusing on looking them up and writing sentences. These words are all from amendments that did not pass or the new Colossus. The link to the text is right here. Right here if you want, so that you can go look at them in context, which you should do. The must-do words are accomplished, responsibilities, mandatory, and regulate. The should-do but don't have to do words are representation, brazen, yearning, and colossus. All right, so some more challenging words, but I know you can rise to the challenge. Write a definition, either that you look up or that you know, and then write your own sentence in your own words, making sure to include capitalization and punctuation, right? Because you are fifth graders, so you should be writing good sentences. I was looking at actually a tweet the other day. I think it was a high school teacher who was just so frustrated that their students couldn't or didn't include some of those basic things like capitalizing and punctuation. So let's learn it now so you don't have to worry about it when you're in high school. It'll just be habit by then. The code word today is the word many. M-A-N-Y, many. All right. As always, I am here to help. Go to FOE Help. Let us know how we can help you understand these words and write sentences with them. Good luck.